requested video for his previous apartment and this apartment. So we only lived in the previous apartment like 6 months and it wasn't that great. So we thought we'd show you this one because it's way better, and we're currently in the hallway in front of the door, and we're going to go inside because the dogs want to come and see us. As you can see, there's a massive wire across the floor. That is so that I can stream for you guys because we need internet, and apparently it's only in here. Door's now shut. Okay, so we have us recycling. We have a nice bag full of plastic bottles that I don't like to use, but we have to use them because the water's not drinkable here. Great. And then we have the dog leads and shoes because, well, the dogs get walked. And then we have a fireplace, which we actually haven't tried yet. I think this will be used way more in the winter time when it's all like lit up and it's working. But I think it's going to give it that sort of, I guess, toasty, homey feel whilst you're living. Well, I'll show you the video in a second. But, so everything's open planned. We have sort of like a living room here. So we have this like side sofa, there's TV, and there's cabinets. Cabinets have just got all the internet, everything like that. Yeah, picture me and Fabian. Aww. And then, yeah, we just have a big TV, which we haven't properly used yet either. Yeah, sofa that Fabian actually really loves, because when you sit on it, don't mind my sausage rolls, you just put your hand down the side and it comes out. Wow, relaxing. I can't get it back. Oh, there we go. That's Fabian's favourite part of the sofa, by the way. So, as you come on, you can see you have this amazing view in front of you. But before we get to that, we're going to talk about the dining area. So we have just a small dining area. Yes, there is a chair missing, because currently, that is my desk chair. And it's really like sweaty because it's just like leathery. It's just not good. But yeah, we haven't eaten on here because there's no point us eating here when we have an amazing view behind us, and we have like a nice mirror, an accent mirror in the apartment. By the way, this apartment isn't done in terms of decoration. Like, we moved here maybe like 5 days ago, so we've kind of shoved everything in. Not everything is super organized and perfect, but you guys will understand that. That's what happens when you move. Anyway, then nice stone wall. I actually really like this because it's got that sort of like earthy tone to it, which I'm like into. And then we have this huge island, which I like, and it's good when we're cooking so we don't have to fight. I hate flies so much and they're freaking everywhere. But sink full of cleaning products because we just cleaned. But yeah, we just have a kettle here, and then we have like cups and stuff in there. This one's like got more in there. Organized kind of cups and stuff like that. We actually haven't filled a lot of these drawers. There isn't much to like put in them yet. We don't know what we're doing, but I had to bring my coffee machine because I live off coffee and it's really good. Then we have this sort of grill microwave defrosting thing, which has just got some bread in it because I'm gonna have hummus and bread after this. Then we just have a normal oven here, and then we have this gas stove here. So this, what's really weird about here is I'll show you when we go out in a second, but there's a massive gas canister. They don't use like a boiler kind of or anything like that we use in the UK. It's just a huge gas canister that looks like it's about to blow up. But I don't really know what there is to say about this kitchen, but it's just really nice, and I like the marbly thing to it. But yeah, fridge. We went shopping and a half-eaten watermelon that I haven't finished yet because it's fucking huge. Look at the size of that thing. It's good though. But yeah, me and Fabian are back on the healthy diet now. Come here, let's eat snacks. Have this water down here, a Sprite down here, any sort of drinks because, like I said, you can't drink tap water. But this is what most people are going to be like, wow. But yeah. I'm going to set up this lovely situation for you guys, that romantic atmosphere, you know, so you enjoy it. So yeah, we have this amazing sort of sea view, and it's really nice. We can see like all the coast, to the end, and then you see it all across here, and you can see like another separate part of the island where not many people live, so you can see sort of like the scenery and like the hills and stuff. It's nice. But yeah, this is where I usually have like my breakfast or lunch or whatever. I usually like sit out here and just watch it because, I mean, why wouldn't you? But I think this is what sold us on this apartment. It's just got such an amazing view, and the dogs love it out here. That's why we've got some dog food on the side and paw prints everywhere, because this is where they eat and drink, because it's cooler as well, and the dogs are passed out. But yeah, as you come back through the kitchen island area, you obviously have the seats, so you can, if someone's cooking, and you can serve food, and kind of like a breakfast bar. It's nice. But if you look all the way down here, we have this long hallway, which Mila loves. Who's looking at me right now. Hi. Hi. So we have this long. But yeah, we have this long hallway. Obviously, the wire leading into our bedrooms, our study area. But the first door we have right here is the bathroom. So we have this huge bathroom. I mean, it's really big. It's actually really nice, and we just have unorganized stuff for stuff. Yeah. So we have obviously a washing basket, huge mirror, and toilet, and then we have this shower which apparently massages you. I tried it, it hurt, never did it again. Probably won't do it again. But it's a shower and it's nice. But yeah, I think this room is pretty. It's nice. Oh, my favorite part. Light. So this is in the same as the other bathroom, which I'm going to show you. But this is like the big mirror, and you can see everything. And like, check yourself out. But yeah, not much to say about the bathroom. But this bathroom, it's nice and I like it. Then the next door we have is the master bedroom, I think you would call it. We just have our sort of cupboard thing where we have all Fabian's and my stuff. Then we have this bed with two sort of side tables. We do want to move the bed over here, like this way, so we have all that space. But we haven't got there yet. But this is currently what we're working with, the side tables, everything, and maybe if we don't move it, we'll put something along here. But the amazing thing about this is these massive wardrobes. Huh?
I was like, just open my side instead. Okay. That looks weird if you open this one.
Okay, so these massive wardrobes. This is Fabian's side, who's actually got more clothes than me now since I like threw all mine away whilst I was moving here. So yeah, shoes at the bottom, pants and stuff like that. It's just good to have like sort of two sides that we can have one each. And then we have a TV. So if you come around here, you'll be able to see a TV on top. We tried to use it, it was a little bit laggy, we'll probably fix it later, but yeah, it's nice to watch TV whilst you're in the bedroom. Yeah, like that. And then we have the ensuite, I guess you would say. In Malta, they like to have really small bathrooms attached to bedrooms. Me and Fabian experienced this when we rented an Airbnb. It was like, how small was it, Fabian?
Yeah, same as this.
Smaller, I think. But yeah, we just have nice shower. So if people come over, we can use this bathroom whilst they use the main bathroom. Same as the other one, we have lights all at the side of this mirror. Just a toilet and that. I mean, there's not much to say, it's just a tiny one, but you can close it off, unlike the other one we stayed in, and then you don't have to look at it. True story. But then, come out again to this long hallway. At the end of the hallway, there is Fabian's room. We'll go to my room first, so you take the left, and then you come in, got a plan, which I really wanted to get because you guys know I have an obsession with plants. And yeah, this is like the spare room, so if we ever have anybody staying over, this is where they will sleep. Mostly on my stream it's called the dog bed because all the dogs sleep on the bed. But yeah, it's just a nice small thing. Then we have my wonderful desk chair, which is very expensive, and I don't think you guys want to know the price. But yeah, we have this lovely, this is my streaming area. I have my ring light set up, everything like this. So I guess people just come in here once I finish streaming at night and they would just sleep here, and it's just basically a spare room. Then we have these wardrobes. which I've not really filled with much, just like plants and bedding and things like that. Just nothing much, but yeah. This is where the dogs chill mostly on my stream, and this is where I stream, and you guys can see it. But the next room we have is Fabian's room. So Fabian's got this huge ass room. You can hear it from the echo instantly. So he has all his man cave stuff. So he has all this stuff for streaming, everything like that. He has all these extra PCs. So there's 2 PCs here, and then like PC stuff, which we kind of need to go through because we haven't had time. In here's a complete mess, so please bear that in mind where we haven't fully sorted everything out. But and it also smells of gas here because of, like, I'm going to show you the massive gas furnaces. So we have some lovely washing on the floor that we need to do. What is that? Like, why do they use that? I don't understand. Firstly, it's like not a safety hazard. But apparently everyone uses them, and if you look on people's balconies, you like see them all the time. And we have all our suitcases, which we brought all of our clothes over, even these like cheap ones, which, yeah, we just brought all our clothes over. And then we just have like carpets and like a blow-up bed for when people stay over if we've got more than one person. And then we have this sort of other balcony part. Well, it's just like where we wash our clothes. You don't want to see my underwear, let's go back in. So basically, that's kind of the apartment. I hope you guys kind of got an insight. Maybe I'll do an updated one once we sort the apartment out and maybe decorate it a little bit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and thanks again, Fabian, for recording it. I appreciate it. So make sure you give it a like or comment on your favorite part of the apartment. So yeah, see you again soon, guys. Bye.